Hello, third graders. Mrs. Thompson here, and I am here today with your Fluency Option 2. Today, we will learn how to create an array that models multiplication and we will write a multiplication sentence to match an array. I can use equal groups to model arrays that match multiplication. I can write a multiplication sentence to match an array. Fluency Option 2 is where we are going to be counting together. We are going to skip count together or group count together. And we will be group counting by threes today. And we will go up to 18 and count aloud to 18 backwards and forwards. We'll also look at equal groups and create addition sentences and multiplication sentences to match those groups. All right, are we ready? All right, here's our first group counting. So we're going to count aloud to 18 going forward and backwards. I want to whisper, and then we're going to speak when Miss Thompson says speak, okay? So we'll whisper all the way until Miss Thompson says speak, and then we may whisper again, and then Miss Thompson will say speak, okay? All right. Start counting by whispering, starting with 0. 0, 3, 6. Speak, 9. Whisper, 12. Speak, 18. Whisper, or stop. Do not whisper, do not go forward. We stopped at 18, sorry. All right, so now we are going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to think, then speak, okay? Miss Thompson's gonna say think, and you're just gonna count in your head, and then when I say speak, tell me the number that you're at, and then you're gonna think 2 times, and then speak, all right? 1, 2, 3, ready. Remember to start at 0. Count forward. Think. Speak, 6. Think. Speak, 15. Think. Awesome, boys and girls. Now we are going to go backwards. This time when we go backwards, we're going to whisper backwards from 18, and we're going to whisper 2 times, and then we're going to speak. Then whisper 2 times and then speak, okay? We're going to start at 18 and go backwards by 3. Ready? Whisper. Speak, 12. Whisper. 6. Speak, 3. Whisper, 0. Good job. Now we're going to think, speak backwards. You ready? We're going to start with 18, count backwards by 3s. All right. I'm going to say, when I say go, I'll direct you on to what you're going to do. Okay? Ready, go. Think, speak, 12. Think, speak, 3. Think. Awesome, boys and girls. You guys did an awesome job. All right, so we're skip counting to 18 by 3s, and this time we're going to start at the number 6 and go up to 18. Are we ready? Ready? And this time you're going to do it aloud. 1, 2, 3. I think I said 6. Ready and count. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Awesome. Now we're going to count backwards from 15 to 0 by 3s aloud. 1, 2, 3, ready, count. 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Awesome work. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the dots. And we're noticing that the dots are circled, okay? So how many are in each group? Yes, you're right. There are 2 in each group. So we're going to write this as an addition sentence. You go ahead and write it on your whiteboard. Are you ready? Start writing. Okay. Now, did you write 2 plus 2 plus 2? equals 6? You're absolutely right. Now you're going to write a multiplication sentence. 4 3 2s equals 6. Write it down. Did you write 3 times 2 equals 6? If you did, you're absolutely right. Let's look at more. Okay, so this time we have 2 pictures. So let's take a look at this picture. How many do we have in each group? Yes, you're right. There are 5 in each group. How many groups do we have? Yes, we have 3. What addition sentence could go with this? I agree. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Wonderful. Is there a multiplication sentence that you could think of that will go with this as well? I like it. 5 times 3 is 15. Wonderful. Let's take a look at the second group or the second set of pictures. So how many are in each group here? Yes, I agree. 4. How many groups do we have? Yes, there are 3 groups. What addition sentence were you thinking of for this? I like that. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Wonderful. What were you thinking about in regards to the multiplication equation that goes with this? Okay. 4 times 3 equals 12. Excellent. Could we flip any of those equations? I want you to think about that. All right, guys. Thank you. It has been great hanging with you for the day 2 of fluency. See you tomorrow on day 3.